Blue Monster products are brought to you by the Millrose Company, the recognized leader in professional-grade brushes, abrasives, and thread sealants. Blue Monster industrial-grade thread sealants, trusted by professionals to deliver a leak-free seal every time. Blue Monster's high bulk density formulation offers superb surface adherence. This video demonstrates how to apply thread sealants correctly and why Blue Monster is the brand you can trust. Blue Monster closes the gap. Threaded NPT connections will have threading gaps where liquid or gas can escape. The sealant's job is to ensure that the gap is closed to prevent any leakage. Blue Monster's high bulk density formulation was engineered to address poor thread quality and the gap. Slow drying, soft setting, non-hardening, lead-free, and non-toxic. You can trust our industrial grade of thread sealants to deliver permanent leak-free results. Industrial grade thread sealants, piping materials, and system types. No worries, Blue Monster has all the bases covered. Blue Monster works on all metal and plastic thread types. Blue Monster works in extreme temperatures, -50 to +400 degrees Fahrenheit. Blue Monster works on systems carrying potable water, compressed air, glycol, heating oils, jet fuel, kerosene, natural and liquid petroleum gases, steam, and more. Our industrial grade, the Blue Can, for the ultimate in thread adherence characteristics. NSF approved, works on gases up to 3,000 psi and liquids up to 6,000 psi. Our industrial grade with PTFE, the White Can, offers excellent thread adherence characteristics. The PTFE offers lubrication, making it easy to turn threads. NSF and CSA approved, works on gases up to 3,000 psi and liquids up to 10,000 psi. Now it's time for the demo. Blue Monster industrial grade thread sealants work with all types of metals and plastics. Just to name a few: malleable iron, steel, bronze. I have 3 variations of plastic: polysulfoam in this plastic PEX fitting. I got PVC and I have ABS. There are much more. This video is going to focus on applying thread sealant to a male thread, but before we do that, we want to make sure we have a clean thread to work with. Now to the theory of what a thread sealant actually does. When you're looking at a thread, you have a high point here, which is the thread point, and you have a valley. I'm going to put the pen tip into these valleys. When we're applying thread sealant, we want to fill those valleys so that when we couple the fitting to this male thread, the male thread points in this fitting are setting into those valleys and they're encapsulated with thread sealant. Blue Monster has a great adherence. These are high bulk density formulas that are outstanding. Lots of fill, which really make up the difference, or as we like to refer to, the gap. So we're going to apply thread sealant here. We're going to go kind of quick here, get this on, and we're going to fill this thread with the sealant. And this would be the PTFE. We're going to go ahead and work the blue, which is a less PTFE formulation, little hardier, a little stickier. And a lot of the trade professionals that work with steel pipe like the heavier bodied formula. The tackiness of it really works well when you're dealing with oily threading. So we've completed this one here. I'll add just a touch more here. We're going to take the blue, and you'll notice that this is a heavier bodied thread sealant. We're going to apply the blue now. Again, this is really popular with those that work with steel iron pipe. And we're going to fill these valleys, thoroughly brushing the sealant directly into those valleys, ensuring that we've got plenty of sealant to encapsulate those male thread points. Quick visual here, and we're ready to thread the fitting directly on. One thing great about the PTFE is the lubrication factor. Just makes it really easy when you're threading fittings together. Just a nice little advantage. Of course, we would be using a wrench to further tighten this if it were in the an actual system. We would then pull a Blue Monster towel, of course, to wipe any additional residue, of thread sealant that has been pushed out of the thread to wrap the job up. I want to thank you for watching the demo and enjoying this video.